Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Uber Eats promos not being applied so you can successfully use your promo codes without errors. First, make sure your Uber Eats app is fully updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Uber Eats, and if you see an update button, tap it and wait for it to finish updating. Next, check your internet connection. An unstable or slow connection can prevent promos from applying. Try switching to Wi-Fi if you're on mobile data or the other way around and see if that fixes the issue. Then, make sure your order meets the promo's criteria. Some promos require a minimum order amount or are valid only at certain restaurants. Also, double check that your promo code hasn't expired. Promo codes only work for a limited time, so make sure it's still active before trying to apply it. To add a promo code to your account, go to your profile at the bottom right, tap Promotions, enter the code, and tap Add Promo. Make sure all requirements are met so it applies successfully. Once added, go back to your order and see if the promo applies at checkout. If everything is correct and your connection is stable, it should work without any errors. And that's it. That's how you fix Uber Eats promo codes not applying. So yeah, if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the other guides we have on the channel.